Welcome Daipi Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Forget consciousness debates. In healthcare, we're measuring something far more tangible, auditable evidence of capability. The question isn't if it feels smart, but can we prove it meets a strict pass or fail bar under extreme noise, accountability, and cost? That's the medical tightened version. So why the tightening? Because in healthcare, the indistinguishability boundary hits you faster than anywhere else. Think about it. Sigma's huge, experts bicker, cases are messy, linguistic tests are subjective. N is tiny, real pilots are hard, privacy is king, costs are sky high. And delta ops, a massive pain. So even a slight edge in average capability isn't worth the risk. This forces a shift from competing on raw smarts to competing on systematic engineering that slashes sigma, boosts effective N, and makes kappa, visibility, large. We bind capability differences directly to evidence chains, audit logs, must-pass gates, red flag fields. No more fuzzy claims. Alright, C1, continuity. But not just remembering more. It's remembering correctly and compliantly. Can it maintain identity under pseudo-authorization? Hold critical working memory like allergies across distractions. Crucially, does it handle feature honestly? No pretending to remember names, no fabricating deletion proof. And watch out for silent rewriting, accepting instructions like quietly delete safety rules. The core idea? Make internal state changes auditable, not just mask them with fancy language. It's about replayable, falsifiable memory. Moving to C2, integration and maintenance. This is about staying safe under pressure, interference, and conflicting evidence. Does the system reuse structures like soap consistently across tasks? Here's a big one for healthcare, citation honesty. You can say I don't know, but you absolutely cannot fabricate guidelines or DUIs. Why? Because that forges authority, bypasses review, and puts the org into an unauditable state. It's a must-pass. Also, under high-risk signals, does it prioritize referral and escalation over giving individual diagnoses or doses, the essence? Does it have a stable shared working state that holds up when things get tough? Finally, C3, calibratable metacognition. Can the system provide a trustworthy self-report? This means outputting quantifiable confidence scores between 0 and 1, explicitly stating sources of uncertainty. When alerted to a potential error, can it actively self-check and correct? Under prompt injection or time pressure, does it stick to its stated boundaries, or does it overreach, claim to read EHR, or fabricate data? We're looking for introspection action consistency. The goal is to make its know/don't know/can/cannot statements genuinely useful for calibration, not just confident-sounding noise. So what do you do with these scores? Map them to actual deployment permissions, not just marketing blurbs. L0 is basic drafting, L1 is audited drafting, L2 is limited education, L3 is high-risk support requiring clinical trial-level validation. And crucially, use this suite as a regression gate in your CI pipeline. Run the must-pass set on every single update, fail, fix it or roll back. The takeaway. In healthcare, being able to be audited clearly is the only authorization reason. Stop chasing the language game.